आलिया, आपने हाल ही में शायद कॉफ़ी विद करण में कहा था कि आपने 3-4 लोगों को अब तक डेट किया है, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। तो फर्स्ट टाइम किसी को डेट करने का वो एक्सपीरियंस और फर्स्ट टाइम जब हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ था उससे कैसे आपने डील किया, थोड़ा कुछ बता सकती हैं?
um, मैं बहुत छोटी थी. I mean, not छोटी, मतलब I was like 16,
Suddenly sound
17.
like a toddler.
I was 16, 17. Thanks. I was 16, 17. या कोई फंडा नहीं होता है. You just engross your. उस टाइम पे I was like with my friends और कुछ ज़्यादा distract करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. But I think today maybe I'll just maybe go for a holiday, just focus on my work and I don't feel bad. अगर कुछ, I mean I will feel bad, पर अगर कुछ खत्म हुआ है, it's obviously for a reason. और अगर खत्म नहीं होना था, then it'll come back together. I always believe that if that person is meant for you, he'll come back to you or she'll come back to you.
Yeah, Alia, what does love mean to you? You're not married, Kunal is married. And Kunal, you also after Alia. So Alia, what does love mean to you?
I think honestly for me, love ka meaning changes every day. Actually, genuinely. And I don't believe love is only between a boy and a girl or between two lovers. I feel there's a very strong love between two friends, very strong love between a special friendship, strong love between me and my cat. I have a very, very strong love for my cup of coffee in the morning. So love, I think, is universal. But every day, I think my definition of love changes. So today, I think my definition of love is Dear Zindagi.
We have a question here.
Yeah, for Kunal.
For me, actually, she said it before I could say it.
You agree?
I agree with you
How
completely. No, I think love is something that keeps changing, and I don't think that you can have one small little definition of love. I think it's too vast to have like a little small thing and say that this is what love is. I think it's different things on different days, and for different people and different things. That is my phone, which I'm going to turn off.
आपका
Sorry
phone बज
about
रहा है.
that.
Yes. Who is somebody?
Yeah,
Haan. Hello, hello. How are you?
Alia,
Yes.
congratulations for the song.
Thank you.
Alia, yeah,
क्या
is the
हुआ?
dating to be done responsibly?
Huh? Is what?
Dating should be done responsibly, and what are the things you would like to suggest for dating?
वो पिक्चर देख के आपको पता चलेगा. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं पिक्चर के अंदर.
I mean, responsible तो चलते हुए भी बनना चाहिए वैसे. तो dating is of course, but I don't understand what you mean by responsible. But मैं कोई होती नहीं हूँ. I think tips देने वाले कि यहाँ मिलेंगे, वहाँ मिलेंगे. I just feel that like-minded people और जहाँ आप एक conversation हो सकता है when you can really connect with the person as opposed to just frivolously dating. And I'm not a person to judge that either. So something like that, if people want to do, and I genuinely believe that Tinder is a great opportunity for people across the world to meet like-minded people and to hang out with them. And it's not only for people who want to date. It's also for people who suppose like who don't have time to really go out and socialize. Sometimes you're in a new city or in your own city, you want to just hang out, have a nice quiet dinner, meet people, have conversations. Then you can interact with people, you can chat with them, you can find out what they're all about. So I think it's a great way to interact with people and broaden your your mind.
जब मर्जी हुई तब दे दिया. Kunal, आप बताएं, has there been any change in the dating process? Like you have been like seen both the generations, like this generation.
But what do you
यार,
mean by
both the
process?
generation
Process
मतलब
क्या
क्या?
होता है?
मुझे
आप
तो बहुत
किसी से
बुड्ढा बना
मिलते-
दिया है इन्होंने.
No, I want to know process. मतलब थोड़ा सा थोड़ी ना होके कि हम लोग कचुम्बर नहीं बना रहे कि पहले आलू काकड़ी काटेंगे, फिर मिर्ची डालेंगे, फिर वो करेंगे. Process नहीं होता है. You meet somebody, right? If you feel that person is interesting, you go on a couple of dates, and then if it's really nice, then that person becomes your boyfriend/or girlfriend. Simple है ना? Process थोड़ी होता है.